parts, then counterfeit packaging material. Before 2 months, we had raid actions in Sri Lanka, Colombo. We confiscated a huge amount of counterfeit packaging. Packaging is identity of the brand, and counterfeit packaging is like a direct money. Then signage infringement, accessories or boutiques using our brand name or trademark, unauthorized online sale of counterfeit spare parts or products. Let's see the success stories in India. Last year we conducted almost 22 raids, successful raid actions in India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Right now we are having network in the entire South Asia. In 2014 we had some classic examples of counterfeiting. Let's see in detail. The first one is Delhi. We confiscated almost spare part amounting to 45 lakhs. We conducted 6 raid actions in just 1 hour. Yes. You can see the quantum. All spare parts are related to safety, like brake pad, oil filters, engine mounting, rubber parts, suspension rings, etc., etc., etc. Then we conducted one successful raid action in Kolkata on one manufacturing unit. Just see the quality of the spare parts. He was manufacturing suspension rings, which is the most important part in suspension, from a used cycle tire rubber. The original price of the suspension ring is something 1,200 and he was selling that in just 75 rupees. Then after we had conducted one successful raid action in Kolkata for fake packaging unit, we confiscated almost 5,500 sheets of fake packaging of oil filter. After investigation and interrogation, the owner confessed that he was manufacturing this printing or the packaging material for Middle East. There was one consignment pending at his station, or say the printing unit, and we confiscated entire metal plates, then fake packaging and the relevant material from that location. Just see the quality of packaging. Yes, but what is the problem is, what are the speed breakers in our journey? This is the same issue with other industry also. Let's see one by one. We need stronger policies with respect to IP, then no control on export through customs channel. Then we should have deterrent punishments in place. That will be a game changer. And we are in need of well-equipped and refined educated police machinery besides the judiciary. And yes, we all are combating against counterfeiting like Avengers. Thank you. Thank you for your patience.